Set desktop background that brings you new pretty sceneries every time. Right-click on desktop screen. Click on Personalize. Select Background. Ensure that your PC is connected to the network, and select Getting New Wallpapers Every Day from Microsoft. On selecting this, Microsoft Edge gets opened and starts downloading an application. You can notice this in the top right corner. Once the download gets over, select Open by clicking on it. Click on Run on the dialog box. Now another dialog box appears. Decide whether you need those options. If not, then deselect as I do. Then, select Install Now. The application will get installed. You get a notification once connected to the Bing wallpapers. Click on Finish. Now enjoy the new high-quality wallpapers on your desktop every time.